TaskRabbit requires new taskers to complete a background check before offering services, which means you cannot start accepting tasks immediately after creating an account. By the end, you'll know how TaskRabbit works, why the background check matters, and whether the platform is worth waiting for in 2026. TaskRabbit connects people who need help with local services to independent workers called taskers. Taskers can offer different types of services, including furniture assembly, moving help, cleaning, handyman work, delivery assistance, and other local tasks. The main benefit of TaskRabbit is that customers are already searching for help. Instead of finding every customer yourself, you create a profile, choose the services you offer, set your availability, and receive opportunities from people looking for those services. The first step is completing the sign-up process and passing the required background check. The waiting period matters, because you cannot fully use the platform for earning opportunities until the approval process is complete. Your profile becomes important once you are approved. Customers choose taskers based on factors like the services offered, profile information, availability, experience, and customer reviews. A clear profile helps customers understand exactly what you can do. Choosing the right categories also matters. A tasker who focuses on services they already perform well may have an easier time building trust compared with someone offering too many unrelated services. Your location can affect your experience as well. Task availability depends on customer demand in your area, so some locations may have more opportunities than others. TaskRabbit is also different from traditional employment. Taskers are independent workers, which means they manage their own schedules, choose available tasks, and handle their own business expenses. The best way to decide if TaskRabbit is worth it is to compare the effort required with the opportunities available in your area. Track how many tasks you complete, how much time each task takes, and your expenses related to transportation, supplies, or equipment. TaskRabbit can be a good option for people who want flexible local work and already have useful skills they can offer. It may not be the best choice for someone who wants immediate income without waiting for approval or building a customer reputation. The main points are simple. TaskRabbit requires a background check before earning. Your profile and service choices affect customer interest, and your local demand determines how many opportunities you find. Your next step is to check whether TaskRabbit has demand for your skills in your area before spending time setting up your profile. If this helped you understand whether TaskRabbit is worth the background check, wait in 2026, like the video and subscribe for more practical side gig reviews.